Howdy ho. I'm gonna record, I'm gonna first apologize for the sound quality. I just got my AirPods in my ears, so the microphone is gonna be a little shitty, but I just wanna record a quick video, hopefully, it's not gonna take a while, about replacing the battery in the original Model 1 of the M8. I got mine ages ago. I don't want to do the maths, but it's definitely over 2 years, and the battery is not ideal. The new model has got a superb battery. I ran into a slight issue during transport. The connector got unseated slightly. So it works. Everything appears to be working. When you attach the power, it gets powered by the USB, but it doesn't charge the battery. If you have that, just open it up and reseat the battery. That fixes it for me. And I wasn't the first one that had the issue. So if you have a problem charging your device, um, just replug the battery and it should be good. Thanks a million to Mikey303 who helped me out. Anyway, let's do this. So we're going to be doing a little bit of soldering because when you order one of these packs, this is actually you have to look inside what the capacity, I think this is slightly larger than what's inside of here. This is the 1250 milliamp hour battery. I got these a while back, so I'm going to first check that they still have power. And we're going to solder the connectors, which I hope there's some JSD. I'm going to look up the exact model for you, but I could even possibly just mail you some if you need. I mean, you could just shear off the old battery if you want. If you're doing it, be sure to do it one by one wire. Don't just like shear both of them because you're gonna short it. I mean, this is just a 3-volt battery, so it's not gonna do anything major, but be careful. Ask me how I know dealing with 6S batteries on drones. Um, so we're gonna solder these on. But first, let's take a look at inside of here. I never remember which driver it is. It's probably this guy. Nope, it's a smaller one. This guy, yeah. Whoops, daisy. Is it? Is it this guy? No, that's the same one. Jesus Christ, do I have like 6? No, this should be smaller. Yeah, this is the one. All right. There's 4 screws holding it together. By the way, if you want to check like the battery charge and everything, you just hold Shift and Option and turn it on. And you're going to get to the boot menu, and it says, like in here, the battery status. And also, when you're charging and it works, it says charging, which is how I knew that the operation on this was successful. Okay, the connectors are on top, so you want to be careful and don't do it the way I did it. So there's a bit of a insulation in here, and then we disconnect it. This is a simple connector. This guy has got some more wires going into the board, so it probably has some telemetry or something. I don't know. It's still, I think it's still a single cell. Maybe not. Maybe it's a higher voltage. I don't know. I haven't really looked. Okay, so this is 12 and this is 1250. So effectively, it's the same thing. Now let's double check that I got the right connector, and let's hope this is different. No, I got the wrong ones. So I got a full bag of the wrong connector again. Excellent. So these are quite big, so we'll have to use this to solder onto this. And this looks like a very shitty cable, but we'll manage. All right. So great that I got a bag full of wrong connectors. Excellent. So first thing, let's measure the voltage on these bad boys. Let's first put this one aside so we don't damage it. Yeah. Where's the battery? Yeah. So this is it's gonna be like 3, 4. So this is charged, and this guy, it's not shorted. Come on. Yeah, so 3.8. So that's the storage voltage, so that's good. So we're gonna solder it, and to do that, we just apply heat. You gotta have a soldering iron. I'm gonna use like 350, 380 degrees. And if you get some solder, you're gonna probably have a lead-free solder, which is harder to work with. It's not as fluid, but it's gonna work for a connection like this. But you're gonna need also a heat shrink. This is a thicker cable, so we're gonna check if it fits here. But I think this one will be good enough. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna make heat shrinks, and don't forget to put them on. So I'm doing the thing and chopping it off. 1, 2. Then I'm gonna expose a bit of that wire. Then you pre-tin it, which is, I mean, you can get one of these guys, which is like a second hand for you, so you don't have to use your third hand. And the solder has a flux in it, so every time it's not sticking, you just need to. This has some solder on it, but usually it's better to pre-tin it as well. Don't breathe in especially the one that I have, because it's full of lead. Now, don't forget this part, which is putting the heat shrink onto the wire, because otherwise you would have to get rid of the soldered connection again. So that's one. And that's two. And now either you have a heat gun like me, or just a lighter will do. And you just put the heat shrink on top of the heat. I moved it around a little slightly. Okay. All right, and we're done. So now, let me double check before I plug it into the very expensive toy. And we got voltage, so now I can, where is it? Can find an arrangement. All right, and that's it. So the takeaway is not to order any connectors, because you're gonna order the wrong one anyway, because I think the naming is really weird. Like, they're all JST connectors and they're all different. But yeah, maybe somebody will actually correct me and tell me that, oh, this is easy. This is a model 111, and you can get them. But I don't think I'll be using this battery because it's pretty bad. I don't want to short it or anything, but so that's the old one, and this is the new one. Hopefully, yeah, I got a different theme. That's not fair comparison. Whatever. Oh, I didn't apply it. Anyway, hope it helps. Take care.